Alright guys, so welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So now we're at the cenote, we're walking through. Quick little tip, if you're coming here to swim, you definitely have to take a shower before because we don't want to contaminate the spring water supply. They tell you this on the tour and whatever. So they're walking us now to the showers to go get showered if you want to swim. We have an hour here, so we have to set our clocks so that we don't miss the hour or else the bus goes.
That's the cenote, ahí está el cenote. You can take a look, no puedes mirar.
Listen, my arms can't stretch all the way over there, but you get the idea. It's like a big, simple. It's like very circle. Lines going down on the water. Of course, it's there. So, wow. So the cenote name is IK KIL. I know people still ask the same question, and it's going to be in the title of the video, but people are crazy. Yo, this is a way better view. I can show you guys from here. Alright, so taking a shower is mandatory. Like, we thought that because we don't use sunscreen, we could still whatever. But funny story is, we do use lotion, so that's still, you know, chemicals nonetheless. So, have to take a shower before you even enter.
Hurry up and bathe, man.
I don't like water.
Wow. That was like instantaneous.
Alright, so yeah, it's kind of slippery, so you gotta hold on. But we are finally granted access into this really cool place. You might see it a lot on Instagram, so that's a vibe. Wow. I thought it would be like open staircase all the way down. But this is a whole cave, bro. This is nice. So that's where we're looking up from, of course. It's a whole vibe. Oh no. He had a big flip. Oh! Now he's hurting. Alright, so you guys can see that there's a lot of people here, whether it be visitors or locals, a lot of people. Tips that I did get from some other, you know, Instagrammers or just YouTubers was, if you have a ride, meaning that you rented a car and you know how to get around, I mean you have Google Maps, you can actually come to the tour early, because you realize our tour left out at 8 o'clock and we are now here at 4:27, where a lot of the tour buses will converge and many people are going to be here. But if you have your car, you can come here a lot earlier, get here probably like 10 o'clock or whenever this place is open, and you're going to have this place quite possibly more to yourself than having so many persons here. But for us, no big deal. Alright! Yo! Poor gentlemen, we are talking about. This is the only time you hear them say that. But anyway, yeah. Onto the GoPro. This is our GoPro Hero 5 session. It sucks. Hopefully I get a new one soon. So anyway, let's go down. It's cold. Not bad. Wow, I couldn't find my GoPro charger. So whatever battery life is on this is on this. I don't know. Whew. But there are ropes to the edge. So if you get a bit tired, you can always use them. But let's see how the water looks. Again, this is an old GoPro, so it might not get the best. This one wasn't the top of the line one either, so. Huh? You want to do it? Go. Go for it. Good job. You're lucky we got jump off for that video. So.
Secured.
How is it? Cold, right?
Woo.
Oh yeah. Oh sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
You guys ready to come out already?
Cold.
Yeah. It's not that cold, it's refreshing cold, but yeah, it's cold. My body temperature gets, it's a bit different. You guys don't know, like I'm really not the best swimmer. But you know, remember brethren, we plan to do, you know, more spearfishing, catch and cook. So I have to, you know, build my confidence up and get better.
Ready? No. 3, 2, 1, go!
So, we're back in the bus, but here's the funny story, right? When we first came on the bus, they told us, you know, if you're born on a bad lucky days, then you get sacrificed. So, we came back on the bus and dos personas are missing. So, me and Judah say they were sacrificed. So, when you are on a tour bus, make sure you come back on the right time. If you come back late, you get sacrificed, okay? End of story. But anyway, guys, we just left Cenote IK KIL, and we're going to Valladolid, which is like a really short stop. They said about 15 minutes, so if I get anything to vlog, I'll vlog it, and if not, then I'll just come back and just end the vlog.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just hopped off the bus. We only have like 25 minutes here, so call it 20 minutes. Time to get back, but we're in Valladolid right now and it's really beautiful. As Judah said, we have clock tower over here, so we have Hero Circle back away. Yeah, it does feel like it, but it's a lot more of a open space. It feels much grander, you know, so that's a great vibe about it.
That means that she wants to the vlog home. Wait. Oh, them not here because my headphones are on, but she said hi vlog.
Yeah, so that's a vibe. What else? Yep. Yeah, we're heading to get some churros. That's the vibe right now. There's a Catholic church that you can go into and take pictures and all that, and go up and get some panorama. Yeah, I'm just into the churros. That's what I kind of really want. So,
alright.
Yeah, getting some churros right now.
We'll go on exercise.